Just like you can experience pain and probably have experienced pain, your dog or cat, they have much the exact same thing can be happening to them. So where you and I can say like, "Oh, my tooth hurts, my ear, there's this throbbing inner part of my ear," your dog or cat can't say that. It's important for you to be able to recognize the sign of your pet being in pain and then being able to properly treat them. When your dog or cat's pain is treated appropriately, they're then able to better respond to whatever underlying health problem that they have. Right, kitty cat. First and probably most obvious is there's big changes in movement. Reluctance or difficulty climbing stairs. It may be obvious that they're limping, they've got a paw raised. They're clearly there's a leg that they're favoring. And that's an obvious sign. Okay, obviously something's painful and sore. If your dog or cat is experiencing some of those clinical signs, at least get a brief veterinary exam and get a better sense of ultimately what is the underlying cause. If it seems to be primary arthritic pain, which is most common for aging dogs and cats, there are a number of specific supplements which can help, such as glucosamine, chondroitin, MSM, both in our supplements Ultimate Canine, Ultimate Feline. For short-term use, there's a homeopathic called Arnica, and for some pets, they respond really well. Zero side effects, potentially big upside, as low as 130C capsule, one of these little capsules, given every 1 to 2 hours for acute pain, completely fine for all of our pets. The active ingredient found in turmeric, 95% curcumin. It is a great anti-inflammatory, has some great pain relieving properties, safe for both our dogs and cats. For topical use, consider DMSO. It rapidly penetrates in through the skin, so you can put it over top of an area of affected joint, i.e. the inside of your dog's knee if they have knee arthritis. It'll get in through the skin. It can provide localized pain relief. You can do that 2 to 4 times a day. The cannabinoids, specifically this cannabinoid, CBD. Standard dog and cat dose, 3 milligrams per 10 pounds of body weight. For acute pain, you can double that amount and even do that twice a day. And then for long term, we're doing the 10 milligrams, which equates to 1 drop per 10 pounds of body weight daily.